Okay, this is 9,000 RPM KEMEI with the model number 2242. That high power? Yes, of course, because of this 9,000 RPMs. Metal body, LCD display, yeah. Got 4,500 milliamp battery. So now this is the box. Okay, and got also a charging stand. Okay, and here comes with a four guide combs. And at the back, just like this, and got 4,500 milliamp battery, 4.5 hours charging time. That's really a lot, almost 5 hours, and 300 minutes operating time with 10 watts. Inside, the manual. Okay, charge stand. It's really a lightweight one. Okay, and does it slip? No, doesn't slip, which is good. USB-C charging. This is good. Okay, we got four guide combs, and this guide combs you can throw it away. It's really not good. Okay, here, like I said before, this guide combs not good. So it comes with a little brush. Okay, what else? Nothing. Okay, inside you cannot remove it, as you can see. Ah, yeah. Okay. You got your charging cable. Like I said, it's a USB-C. Okay, this is the clipper. See, this looks good. It's like a carbon, Looks really nice. I guess this is a ceramic cutter blade. Here it's written high speed. So you can turn this thing, the lever. It's written adjustable. Okay. And the back is metal body. This is metal. Here, USB-C. Okay. Comes with a like an EXO blade from TPOB. Okay. For me, this is a mixture of this VGR right here and also Jeep. Okay. So now let's make a sound check. And it's starting with 5,000 RPMs. And it's increasing with 100. See that? When it's increasing, the remaining minutes also going down, as you can see. To 9,000. And to the lever, that's clicking lever. I don't know, 5 or something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicking lever. Okay. This is a clipper with great power, really great power, and USB-C charging, which is good. Metal back, this is also good, and fade blade with a ceramic cutter blade. Okay, I don't know. I don't really like this hair clipper simply because the lever for me is not good, and this thing right here, it's too bulky, which I don't really like, and it does. That's why it doesn't fit. I mean, it's not comfortable on the hand. I don't like that. Just check it out. And the lever, it's too somehow too backward again, which I don't really like. And if you want to change, if you want to make lever close, then you need to stretch your finger again before you can make a lever close, which is bad. For me, it's too much RPMs. I mean, too much 100, 200, 500, 600, 700. That's too much. I will rather prefer maybe like two speed, maybe like 7,000, the first one, then the second one, 9,000 RPMs. This is really good. 100, 200, 300, 400, that's too much for me. So, for me, this is not a good clip. I don't like it. And it's shaky. This thing right here, it's shaky. I don't know if maybe you can hear it. It's shaky. And when you turn it on, it's also shaky. I don't know if maybe you can hear it. It's making, unless I put my finger, then it stops, because it's this thing right here. It's not tight like the one of VGR or Jeep. The one of VGR and Jeep, they are really, really good. It doesn't make that noise, you know. I don't know. For me, I don't like this hair clipper. So that's it from my side, and peace.